To install the software, you first need to go to our website. So you just go on a browser, syncrolight.co.uk, and then go to software, and then it gives various information about the software, the different packages available, and right down the bottom you've got the releases. So just choose the latest release and then let that download. This is Windows only software, so it works on Windows 7, 8 and 10. So once that's downloaded, so we can go and open the file. Now, you may get this saying .NET 3.5 isn't installed. It is actually installed, it's just not enabled. So if you go and search for turn Windows feature on or off, you see it's there in the control panel, and then click that .NET 3.5 and click OK. Right, when that's complete, you can then run the installer again. It's got the normal license terms there. Then you can just let that install. And then once it's installed, it opens up the quick start, which is just a tool to allow you to get into the different packages. It puts an icon over here on the desktop. Once this software is installed, there's a few setup steps that we suggest you do, particularly if you're going to be using our controllers and lights. So if you just go in the quick start, you see once it's installed, you'll have these crosses down the side that show things aren't configured or set up. So the first thing to do is install this RS485 driver. This is just a USB driver for the serial network to connect to our RS485 controllers, like our DC08 controllers. So first of all, you just click on install and then let that run to install the drivers. The next thing to do is set up the RS485 lead to the network to the controllers. So there's two types of leads. One's just got bare wires on the end, and the other one's got we call our plug and play lead. It's got a plug and play connector on the end for the plug and play controllers. But this USB just needs setting up. So you click on the setup, and then it shows you there what you do. You just have to plug the lead in, and once it's plugged in, it'll tell you it's been configured, and then you see you get the ticks. And then finally, there's a license. The license isn't required for a few channels. It allows up to 16 channels. If you look on our website, you'll see that the basic unlicensed one allows up to 16 channels and 2 minutes of duration of shows with music. And we have a standard and professional license. If you purchase a license, once you log into your account, it'll be displayed showing the type of license you've got. The license allows 3 installs, so you can install it on a desktop, a laptop, and a separate one to actually run your show. To install the license, you could use this install license installer, and again you'd log into your account. And then when you log in, it will give you show you the license and show you the number of installs, and then you just simply click install license, and then it will then show you've got that license installed on that PC. And then you see you've got your 3 ticks now. So that's basically the software set up now and ready to use.